This is Midfleet, the control plane for governed autonomous work. It turns intent into accountable work that autonomous agents can safely execute. Teams set the boundaries, while ownership, approvals, and evidence stay visible. Midfleet connects the models, repositories, agents, and delivery systems you already use. First, the production workspace. The dashboard summarizes live capacity, projects, providers, blockers, workflow health, and current work. Get Started turns initial setup into a checklist for projects, repositories, agents, and first runs. Next, the Midfleet-core project. Projects keep delivery scope, repository context, assigned fleets, and open activity together. The overview makes team coverage, agent status, handoffs, and blockers immediately inspectable. Repositories connect source control and the branch context used by governed workflows. Teams define the specialists responsible for product, analysis, implementation, and review. Workflow settings bind governed execution to the project's delivery contract. Classifiers route incoming intent to a versioned workflow before execution begins. The inventory shows each classifier's scope, version, examples, and status. This walkthrough classifier codifies the approved inspect, narrate, render, and verify stages. Fleets visualize how projects, rosters, and individual agents connect across the workspace. The selected roster shows its members and workflow coverage. Agents are the live operational inventory, with status, model, team, and console readiness. Filtering to Midfleet-core isolates the specialists assigned to this project's governed work. Now, governed delivery. The workflow cockpit separates completed runs from work that needs operator attention. Every run retains its stage, owner, timeline, evidence, and blocking condition. Epics synchronize repository intent into an accountable delivery queue. Project and issue filters isolate the exact work the roster should evaluate. The epic preserves the problem, goal, design authority, repository, roster, and refinement decision. Pull requests connect implementation back to branches, reviews, checks, and changed files. Filtering preserves project context while surfacing the newest implementation evidence. Next, operations and system health. Approvals collect decisions that require explicit human authority before work advances. Handoffs preserve ownership changes, instructions, context, and acknowledgement between specialists. Blockers make stalled work visible, assignable, and traceable to its affected workflow. Providers show model availability, credential readiness, grants, and the active routing state. Integrations connect GitHub and external systems without hiding their configuration health. Networks attribute runtime hosts and their registered agents to the correct operating environment. Claims make exclusive work ownership inspectable, preventing agents from silently colliding. Logs provide the event-level record needed to investigate runs, agents, and platform behavior. Deployments connect releases to environments, artifacts, status, and verification evidence. Metrics close the loop with provider calls, token volume, active runtimes, and usage attribution. Settings centralize workspace policy and the controls that govern production behavior. Intent, capacity, governance, and proof. That is the Midfleet operating loop.